Today we are taking comprehension. Comprehension is very important, and so we are starting a series of works on comprehension. Of course, we're going to start, we'll begin by taking tips on comprehension. Thereafter, we'll have passages and the questions, practical questions on those passages, and then we'll find solutions to those questions. We first of all have to take hints on comprehension. Hints on comprehension. The first hint: comprehension simply means understanding. That is what it means. Now, the truth is that every human being from very early stages starts comprehending. Even little children, toddlers, even before that age, they start comprehending, at least communicating with the parents. Sometimes the parents will send a very small child and say, go and get me a cup. Once that child understands and get a cup at whatever level or whatever age, that child is already undertaking comprehension. Because as the child grows, it's expected that the child be able to comprehend more meaning issues than such. So we've been comprehending for a very long time. You have been doing that for a very long time. We're only from stage to stage increasing the difficulty level of whatever comprehension exercise you do. If we comprehend, they will communicate, and that is comprehension. Now, what we're looking at this as a specialized form of comprehension. You're given a passage, you read it, and then you begin to get the meaning out of it. So, this section, therefore, tests your ability to understand and extract meaning from a text. Comprehension testing is at different levels. You want to understand that. First is the factual level. This factual level is a stage where you are expected to get meanings that are explicitly stated. That information you want, you will be able to see it factually on the print if it's a print work. You get it, and then you'll be able to get selected. And that does not mean that it will necessarily be easy for you. Sometimes the options will be prepared in such a way that even when the information or the meaning is explicitly stated, it becomes difficult for you to extract the correct one, to pick the correct one. So it doesn't mean it will be easy, but of course, they somewhat they are easier than the next level we want to talk about. And that level is the inferential level. Here, you can't explicitly get your information. The work here is more implied rather than factual. So if you look at it, we call that reading between the lines. The meaning is hidden within the expressions that you factually have, within the information you have explicitly stated. What you are required to get is behind them. So you have to infer the meaning from what is implied by the factual information you have in that passage. That is level 2. Then we also have another level. Now we'll take level 3, the extrapolation level. The extrapolation level simply requires you to give correct opinion. Now, you are told something, you are given a story, or you are provided some information. It's expected that you provide your opinion. Your opinion should logically arise from the information, the factual information you are given. So at this point, you are not working on factual information on its own. You are not inferring meaning from implied information, but you are making your opinion based on information you have.